Right, here we have my old Range. Here's the engine. So Isuzu 2.8 turbo. I start it pretty much every month just to keep it running. It's been sitting in my drive for a little while. I haven't started it this month, so power on. So if you can see that, water's cold, oil temp's cold. Oh, battery's pretty flat. Let's see if it starts. Now on the button. As always, super reliable engine this. See, it's not smoky at all. Runs real nice. Oh. Funny sounds. Good sounding engine. Right, here's the engine. It's basically fitted with a Steve Parker conversion kit. I do still have the original Suzuki backing plate. Isuzu backing plate. It's the Isuzu air filter box and the original fuel filter. It's got a brand spanking new clutch, everything. This has never been driven off-road or anywhere, this engine. I started doing this job and then I just realised this Range Rover is just too shot to do it, and then I ended up getting the Defender, so I have no real use for this engine whatsoever, so it's just sitting here. And it's a lovely quality conversion kit. Once I yank the engine out, you'll hopefully all be able to see it. But I'll give you all the hoses, everything you basically need to do the job. Probably the fans, radiator if it's necessary. Yeah, the engine's actually out of an Isuzu, one of their pickup truck variants. So there's some slight differences to the actual truck one. As far as I know, this bit's different. It's some sort of intake cutout thing. And it's missing the power steering pump here. This is because I used to run a hydro winch setup, but it's still got the idler pulley. Simple matter, you can pick these up down the breakers yard fairly easily. I may even still have it. I'll read through my bits to see if I can find it. Yeah, apart from that, it's a good solid engine. Alternator works, vacuum pump all works, it's all connected here. So you can see it's now charging properly. Ha ha ha.